Every morning before the sun rises, a tight-knit community takes to the streets of Lilongwe. They run together, finding comfort, strength, and friendship in the rhythm of their footsteps. For many of them, running means more than just a physical challenge. It represents their quest for purpose, their determination to overcome tough times, and their aspiration to inspire others who may have been in their shoes. Every year, Standard Bank hosts the Be More Race, an event that brings together runners from across the city for some friendly competition.
Be more, be more, be more, be more.
For many participants, this event is about more than just winning.
This is going to be hard though. Because even if the information goes down, it doesn't mean the injury is healed. But for you, the race is Saturday, so it's your decision to make. Are you running to win?
Running to beat personal best.
Chisomo was encouraged by his running club, Joggers on the Move, to challenge himself and push through on the 21 kilometers segment of the race.
For me, it was finding a purpose and meaning. One of my lowest times, I found my meaning through jogging. And it was very difficult, but as I improved, I found a bigger squad, a bigger team that's pushed me to distances beyond my limits. But when I came up with these guys, I was able to do half marathons back to back. Shout out to Josephine Kumisa and Simon Kaund. I've seen these guys do half marathons on a daily basis, and I was like, hey, do that. Jacob Miranzi, also known as Jack Miran, he really helped me learn about speed workouts and getting faster.
As Chisomo fearlessly embraces the challenge of this race, he humbly recognizes the unwavering support that has propelled him towards his full potential. The heartbeat of our growth is found in the power of community. Together we ascend to extraordinary heights, shattering barriers that once loomed insurmountable. The true strength of community lies in its ability to unite individuals from diverse backgrounds, nurturing a collective passion that propels us onward. Within the embrace of community, we discover the courage to soar, the strength to persevere, and the wings to reach new horizons. Together, we transcend our individual selves and become something greater.
Don't feel intimidated, guys. Don't feel intimidated. I would say just do it. Make sure you find people who check up on you, who encourage you, who keep you accountable. Because that's what is the crucial thing to building that speed, that endurance, and that persona that you are as a novice athlete or an upcoming athlete.